How to turn on data saver on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the data saver option on Snapchat. So all what you have to do is simple, just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your avatar like this, and after you click on your avatar it will take you to your profile, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple again, is go just here, click in the top on this settings option, click on it, and it will take you to this page right here. You will find many options, as you can see, but all what you have to do is scroll down until you find data saver option. Click on it and you will find this. Click on it again and choose how the time that you would like to data saver to be enabled. For example, I'm gonna choose 3 days, and now it's enabled successfully. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.